Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to set multiple timers on your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. By the way, this is especially useful when you are cooking and you need to take out the pasta in 10 minutes and the sausages in 5. Now, let me show you how to set the multiple timers. So, as a first step, click on this digital crown until you will see all applications on your watch and click on this timer icon right here. Right here you'd be able to see your recent timers if you have any and all timers, which suggest 1 minute, 3 minutes, up to 2 hours. To add your custom timer, click on this orange plus right here and set your time. For example, I will set 11 minutes 30 seconds and click on start. After this, if you want to add another timer, click on this plus in the right corner and you can also choose from the recents, suggested, or add your custom. For example, I'll set 8:30 and click start. Now, if we click on this back icon, we will be able to see both of the timers that we have set. If you want to stop them, click on this pause icon, or if you want to delete them, just swipe to the left and click on this red cross. And that's it. Now you know how to set multiple timers on your Apple Watch Series 9. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.